How to fix Instagram message not showing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message not showing on Android or iOS phone. First, just turn off your Wi-Fi, then close your Instagram, and after that open it, and then turn on your Wi-Fi. And if that doesn't fix it, then restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to update your Instagram. Just see if there's an update here, and if you can't find any updates, then click on install and install your Instagram. And I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.